You're having a dear friend over for dinner, and your pantry is stocked, and so is your refrigerator, and you would like a good pork chop recipe. Well, we can cover that for you here at the Side Guy Cooks With. Baked pork chops with butternut squash. So let's get started. Let's prepare the butternut squash. Set the timer for 15 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Time to make the marinade. Now let's prepare the pork chops. Set your timer for 20 minutes. As always, ovens do veer. Set your timer for 10 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Although squash can be dated back to the indigenous people of the Americas, butternut squash, a hybrid, was developed by Charles Leggett of Massachusetts in 1944, who crossbred a pumpkin with a gooseneck squash. Looks great right out of the oven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, the pork chops are amazing, and the marinade creates a slightly sweet and savory flavor profile. The butternut squash complements the pork beautifully with its sweet, nutty flavor and tender texture. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. This pork chop recipe makes the perfect dinner for two. Stay with us, watch the next video.